Halo para mahasiswa yang terpelajar, Assalamualaikum. Video kali ini kita akan membahas materi mata kuliah intensif listening dengan topiknya adalah helping the environment. So, are you ready to study about this? Let's get started.
Listening Task 1. Helping the Environment. Exercise A. Listen. Eric is talking to people about the environment. Where are they? Number the pictures from 1 to 5. There is one extra picture. 1.
Are you almost finished with that, Liz?
Almost, Eric. Here, you can take this, and the entertainment section's in the living room.
I just want to read the sports section.
Uh-oh, I think I threw the sports section away.
Threw it away? In the garbage? You know, you really should recycle it.
We can recycle it?
Yes, of course. It'll save trees.
2.
Do you want a small or a large? I'm buying.
Well, in that case, I'll have a large, with cream and sugar.
Okay, I'll go order them.
You brought that from home?
Yep, I don't use paper cups anymore.
Really? Why not?
Well, some places recycle them, but others just throw them away. It's a waste. If I bring my own cup, I can use the same one for years.
3.
Okay, sir. With tax that comes to $8.19.
$8.19? Okay, here's 10.
Here's your change. Would you like a paper or a plastic bag?
Neither, thanks. I brought my own.
Oh, is this nice cloth bag yours?
Yes, I always bring it when I come here.
Good idea. I think I'll start doing that myself.
4.
It feels great to get some exercise, doesn't it?
I am so tired. I think I did a little too much today. I'm going to take a long, hot shower.
Oh, well, try not to make it too long.
Why not?
You know, I've just been thinking about all the water we use every day. I think we use too much. I've decided to take shorter showers to try and save water.
I guess you're right.
5.
Good morning, Jack.
Oh, hey, Eric.
You're here early.
Yeah, I like to come in early before everybody else gets here. I can really get a lot of work done when it's quiet.
Me too. Hey, we should carpool. You know, drive to work together, save some gasoline.
Great idea. We'll save money too.
Alright, my student, untuk menjawab soal poin B, kamu bisa dengarkan kembali dan pertanyaannya, what does Eric recommend to help the environment? Pilih jawaban yang benar dengan cara circle the correct answer. So, dengarkan kembali audio sebelumnya ya. Nah, sekarang kita masuk ke listening berikutnya.
Recycling. Exercise A. Listen. All of these materials can be recycled in the U.S. Check the ones the speaker mentions. There are 2 extra items. 1.
Recycling saves money and the environment. If every person helps recycle, we can make a big difference. Americans are now recycling more than ever, but there's still more work to be done. In 1 year, people in the U.S. still throw away enough cans to fill the Empire State Building in New York 20 times.
2.
Think of how much office and writing paper people use every day. How much paper is it? In the U.S. alone, people use enough paper to build a wall 3.5 meters high from Los Angeles to New York. That's a lot of paper.
3.
How many people read the newspaper every day? In the United States alone, in 1 year, people read enough newspapers to fill a soccer stadium 45 times. And many of those newspapers are not recycled. That's bad news.
4.
Have you ever been to Chicago? Did you know Americans throw away enough glass bottles and jars to fill the 2 tallest buildings in Chicago every 2 weeks? Think of it. Chicago's tallest buildings filled up like trash cans every 2 weeks.
5.
The next time you buy juice or anything in a plastic bottle, just think about this. Every year, Americans throw away enough of them to circle the earth 4 times, and every one of those bottles could be recycled. It's amazing when you think about it, isn't it? Little things help. Just one person really can make a big difference.
Exercise B. Listen again. How much of these materials do people in the U.S. use or throw away each year? Number the sentences from 1 to 5.
Alright, my students, sekian dulu materi kita tentang environment. Semoga bermanfaat dan kita ketemu pada meeting berikutnya. See you, bye-bye.